In this video, I'll show you how to add a picture to your Canva resume the right way so it looks clean and professional. Start by opening Canva on your computer and either create a new resume by clicking Create a Design and searching for resume, or open an existing resume project from your dashboard. Once your resume template is open, look for a photo placeholder. Many Canva resume templates already include a circular or square frame for a headshot. If your template doesn't have one, you can add a frame manually by going to Elements and searching for circle frame or square frame. Drag the frame onto your resume and resize it to fit neatly in the top section, usually near your name and contact details. Next, go to the Uploads tab on the left panel and click Upload Files to add your photo from your computer. Choose a professional looking image with good lighting and a simple background. After your photo uploads, drag it directly onto the frame. Canva will automatically snap it into place and crop it to fit the shape. If the positioning isn't perfect, double-click on the image and adjust the zoom or move it slightly until your face is centered and clearly visible. Make sure the photo isn't too large or overpowering. It should complement your resume, not dominate it. Keep it aligned neatly with your header using the position tool if needed. When everything looks balanced, click Share, then Download and choose PDF print for the best quality before sending it to employers. And that's it. That's how you add a picture to your Canva resume in a clean, professional way.